The MAN HX81 isn't just any truck, it's a machine built to survive the harshest environments, withstand ballistic attacks, and provide its crew with unparalleled protection. The production of this military-grade vehicle is a testament to precision engineering, skilled craftsmanship, and meticulous quality control. Let's take a detailed look at how this formidable vehicle comes to life at the Thin Metal MAN Military Vehicles Factory. Metallic work. The journey of the HX81 begins long before it hits the road. At the heart of its construction is high-grade mill AR steel, selected for its exceptional strength and durability. This steel forms the backbone of the truck, ensuring it can endure impacts, explosions, and extreme operational stress. In the metallic work section of the factory, raw steel sheets are transformed into precise components. Advanced laser cutting machines and CNC equipment shape each piece with millimeter-level accuracy. Every sheet undergoes rigorous inspection for imperfections, as even the slightest flaw could compromise the truck's protective capabilities. This step lays a foundation for the HX81's renowned durability. Welding. Once cut, the steel moves to the welding shop, where the HX81's cabin begins to take shape. Here, a combination of robotic precision and skilled human craftsmanship transforms raw steel into a protective shell capable of withstanding bullets, shrapnel, and explosive forces. Advanced robotic arms handle the majority of the welding, following programmed paths to create seamless bonds between armored plates. This is especially critical in high-risk areas such as door frames, roof panels, and window reinforcements, where even minor weak points could be catastrophic. The robots also craft overlapping layers of steel, enhancing resistance against high-velocity projectiles. However, not all areas are suited to automation. Skilled welders manage complex curves, tight corners, and specialized modifications, reinforcing cabin openings like doors and window recesses with additional welds. After welding, every seam undergoes non-destructive testing, including X-rays and ultrasonic scanning. Only when each joint meets Rheinmetall's military-grade standards is the cabin considered ready for the next stage. This rigorous process ensures the HX81 offers unmatched protection without compromising structural integrity. Paint and coating. With the structural work complete, the cabin moves to the paint shop. Beyond aesthetics, this stage enhances the truck's durability and resistance to corrosion. Multiple layers of specialized military-grade coatings are applied to reinforce the bulletproof steel, while high-strength sealants are added around joints, seams, and openings. Every layer undergoes inspection for uniformity, thickness, and adhesion. Once approved, the cabin is ready to join the chassis assembly, combining strength, resilience, and visual readiness for the field. Chassis assembly. The chassis forms the structural foundation of the HX81. Built from high-strength steel, it is engineered to endure extreme loads and rigorous off-road conditions. The assembly begins with the precise alignment of the main frame. Robotic arms and hydraulic clamps secure the frame with millimeter-level accuracy. The suspension and axles follow next. Heavy-duty shock absorbers and reinforced springs equip the HX81 for rugged terrain, while axles with advanced load-bearing capabilities are carefully aligned and fastened. This combination ensures stability, control, and resilience, even under extreme conditions. The chassis is then coated with corrosion-resistant primers and multiple layers of military-grade paint, cured in controlled ovens for maximum durability. Sealing processes protect critical welds and joints, preparing the frame for demanding military applications. High-strength, off-road military tires are mounted with precision on the engineered axles. Each wheel is inspected for alignment and fit, completing the chassis' transformation into a robust, mobile foundation capable of supporting the full weight of the HX81 under mission-critical conditions. Before moving to the final assembly, every chassis undergoes rigorous functional testing. Cab production. The HX81's cab is more than a driver's compartment. It's a fortified sanctuary. The assembly begins with reinforced steel plates installed along the cab structure to provide ballistic protection. Laminated glass, designed to withstand shrapnel and small arms fire, is fitted to the windows, balancing visibility and security. Seats are mounted with shock absorption in mind, ensuring crew comfort during extended missions. An armored superstructure is placed over the cab using industrial cranes. This structure houses advanced ventilation and air conditioning systems, maintaining operational effectiveness even in extreme climates. Emergency hatches are installed to provide quick egress in dangerous situations. Ballistic doors are carefully secured, forming airtight seals that protect occupants from chemical and biological threats. The finishing touches are installed with precision to balance functionality, ergonomics, and safety. Before integration, the cab undergoes rigorous testing to confirm its reliability. Tightness verification tests expose the cabin to high-pressure water jets from all angles, simulating torrential rain and waterborne operations. These assessments ensure the cab is resistant to environmental hazards, providing a fully protected space for its crew under any conditions. Engine installation. The HX81 is equipped with a robust diesel engine mounted to the chassis using vibration dampening supports. Robotic arms and skilled technicians ensure precise alignment for efficient power transfer. A secondary engine located above the chassis frame powers auxiliary systems and specialized military equipment. This dual-engine configuration allows the HX81 to maintain operational capability in the field, even under extreme conditions. Technicians connect the engine to fuel systems, power networks, and cooling mechanisms, ensuring full integration with the vehicle's operational architecture. Cab and chassis integration. Once the chassis and cab are complete, they are united on the assembly line in a critical procedure known as the cab-to-chassis marriage. Precision alignment systems ensure that the cab fits perfectly on the chassis, leaving no gaps that could compromise structural integrity or safety. During this stage, technicians meticulously install electrical wiring, hydraulic lines, and auxiliary equipment, such as communication systems and weapon mounts, integrating them seamlessly with the vehicle's existing architecture. Automation handles repetitive tasks, but human expertise remains essential for intricate connections, adjustments, and final verification. Every connection is tested for continuity, and hydraulic systems undergo pressure verification to ensure proper function. Camouflage painting. Once the HX81 assembly is complete, it moves to a dedicated paint shop where it receives its camouflage finish, a critical feature for operational effectiveness. The exterior surfaces are first meticulously cleaned to remove dust, oils, or residual contaminants. A corrosion-resistant primer is applied to enhance longevity, followed by multiple layers of specially formulated military-grade paint. Advanced robotic arms apply these layers with precision, while manual painting techniques refine complex contours and hard-to-reach areas. Camouflage patterns are tailored for the specific operational environment using stencils and freehand methods to ensure seamless blending with surroundings. The combination of automated and human techniques guarantees uniform coverage, preserving the truck's protective coatings while meeting rigorous military performance standards. Final testing. Before leaving the factory, every HX81 undergoes comprehensive quality assurance to certify that it meets Rheinmetall's exacting standards. Static tests verify the structural integrity of both the chassis and cab, checking for resilience under simulated operational loads. Dynamic tests simulate real-world conditions, including high-speed maneuvers, off-road traversal, and sudden obstacle navigation, to ensure stability and handling. Ballistic and durability assessments evaluate resistance to gunfire, shrapnel, and explosive forces. Additionally, all mechanical and electrical systems are inspected for reliability, with repeated cycles of operation to identify potential points of failure. Only once the vehicle passes every test, confirming that it meets or exceeds military specifications, is it approved for field deployment. The final phase of production is extreme off-road testing, designed to push the HX81 to its operational limits. The truck is driven over steep inclines, loose gravel, mud, and rocky terrain, demonstrating its suspension performance, wheel articulation, and load-bearing capacity. Engineers monitor real-time data from sensors, measuring stress on the chassis, axles, and drivetrain. Steering, braking, and traction control systems are tested under high load and uneven surfaces to verify responsiveness and stability. These exercises simulate conditions the vehicle may face, ensuring crews can rely on the HX81 under any circumstances. Only after successfully completing these trials is the HX81 cleared for deployment, confirming that it is not just engineered, but battle-tested for extreme conditions. The MAN HX81 is the result of meticulous engineering, combining cutting-edge technology, precision automation, and expert craftsmanship. This military-grade truck doesn't just transport troops, it protects lives, withstands threats, and performs where other vehicles would fail.